Nike is ready to unveil the LeBron 23, spotlighting the 40K colorway that honors LeBron James' 2023 achievement as the NBA's all-time scoring leader. Featuring a crown-shaped iridescent gold midsole, the shoe merges bold storytelling with performance, adding a regal and museum-like appeal through palace-inspired detailing. The heel's 40K inscription in currency style reinforces the milestone celebration, while its elegant packaging makes the pair feel like a collector's piece. Although James wore an all-black version during workouts, Nike promises to release expressive colorways to keep the line visually dynamic. More than just footwear, the LeBron 23 serves as a symbol of legacy and artistry within the basketball world. By blending functional design, premium presentation, and cultural tribute, Nike ensures this model is not only a statement on the court but also a defining piece in the LeBron sneaker lineage.